Most people look at a rusted piece of metal and see a trip to the scrapyard, but this tool is designed to make you think twice about that. It is one of those specialized pieces of gear that feels surprisingly substantial the moment you pick it up. There is a real weight to the housing, and that is mostly because of the all-metal gearing tucked inside. You can tell it is built to take a bit of a beating, which is exactly what you want when you are grinding away layers of old, stubborn paint or deep-seated rust. The inline design is a smart choice here because it keeps your hands in a natural position, which really helps when you are working on a project for more than just a few minutes. It is not exactly light, but the balance is decent enough that it does not feel like it is fighting you the whole time. Now the motor is a 9-amp unit, and honestly, it has plenty of grunt. It does not bog down easily, even when you are really leaning into a tough spot. You have a dial right there to toggle between 1000 and 3700 RPM, which is a nice touch because you do not always want to be at full speed. Sometimes you need that lower end to keep from chewing through the base material, and having that control right at your thumb is convenient. It comes with a handful of drums, 6 of them to be exact, covering everything from stripping to finishing. That is a solid starter kit, though you will eventually find yourself hunting for specific grits or materials once you get into the rhythm of your own projects. One thing that stands out is the drum guard. It is a simple piece of plastic, but it does a surprisingly good job of keeping the worst of the debris from flying directly back at your face. It is not perfect, and you are still going to want your safety glasses on, but it is a thoughtful inclusion. If there is a downside, it is that the tool is strictly corded. You are tethered to an outlet, which can be a bit of a nuisance if you are working on a large gate or something out in the driveway, but that is the trade-off for having that consistent, high-torque power without worrying about a battery dying mid-job. It is a straightforward, no-nonsense machine. It does exactly what it says on the box, and for anyone who spends time cleaning up metal, it is a pretty reliable workhorse that gets the job done without any unnecessary fluff.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.